Let me begin with record, because the record must be confronted honestly before any forward-looking argument can be credible. Sanabina Mashko Bang Pankwana Kinzi, what if 40 years of civilian political governance is produced? When was subscribe or like out on the bell icon? Then time be removed by Comrade Robert Mugabe led this country for 37 years. I will not diminish what was achieved in the early years, the expansion of education, the health infrastructure, the genuine progress of the 1980s that gave a generation of Zimbabweans reason for hope. I served during these years. I saw the state functioning with purpose, but I also saw, and any officer who served through the 1990s and 2000s saw the same, the progressive hollowing out of every institution that was supposed to hold the state accountable to the people. The land reform program, whatever its historical justice as a corrective measure, was executed without a management framework. There was no command structure for the aftermath. When you execute a major operation without a plan for the consolidation phase, you lose everything you gained in the assault. That is what happened to the land reform program. The tactical objective was achieved. The strategic outcome was catastrophic. Farm production collapsed, foreign currency evaporated, infiltration consumed the savings of every Zimbabwean who had worked and saved for their retirement. And through all of it, through the hyperinflation of the fuel queues, the hospital collapses, the mass emigration of our most educated citizens, the political system never corrected itself. It rewarded loyalty over competence. It punished dissent over failure. It produced a culture in which ministers competed to praise the leader rather than solve problems, in which generals were expected to be political instruments rather than professional commanders. I watched this happen. I watched commanders. I watched this happen. I watched good officers compromised the requirement to serve political masters rather than constitutional principles. When you execute a major operation without a plan for the consolidation phase, you lose everything you gained in the assault. That is what happened to Zimbabwe's governance. Leo mashukarupa kune majenerali inakome section medu za vura imo tulipa msapichitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.